So now let's work on the navigation bar here. We have here 2 or 3 buttons or tabs here. We want to use them to display some movies. For example, here we can have Ice Age. So if the user clicks on it, it's going to return all Ice Age movies, something like this. So in our index.html, what I'm going to be doing is that first of all, I'm going to add here links and also um, keywords here. For example, the first one I can say Ice Age, and then the second one I can say, let's say, Harry Potter. And then I'm going to display another one that says penguins. Penguins here. Another movie. Penguins. And then let me save. And then what we need to do is that we need to create a function that's going to take that keyword and then that's going to search for that specific movie or movies that contain this keyword. How can we do that? Well, we can do that obviously in the index.html.py. So here I'm going to create a new root called first app and then .root. And then this root is going to say just / and then it's going to take in it the keyword itself. So you can here say title, which is the name of the movie, and then this is going to execute a function that I'm going to create called here, let's say movies by we want to search for movies by title. So movies by title, and then it's going to take obviously the title that we pass from the URL. And then here we need to make the same thing here. We need to copy and paste these 3 lines because this is going to make the request, and then we will get the request and convert it. We will get the data and then convert it into JSON, and then we pass the movies to a new template. So I'm going to paste these three lines, but here instead of searching for Batman, we want to search for the movie by its title. So we need here to use this title and kind of here append it to the URL. So I'm going to say here title. So we pass the title from the HTML and then get it from the URL and then get it from the function and then make that search and then get the movies, all of the movies, and then return all of the movies here and return all of them to the home page. So we still can use the home page because the home page has this code that's going to loop over all of the movies and display all of them. So you can use the home page even for this function. But the question now, how are we going to pass this title? Well, it's very simple. In order to pass a title from the index.html, what we need to do is that we need to use what's called the URL for. This is very important because this URL for will let us call these functions and pass data from HTML2 to the Python code. So in the index.html, you can say here double curly braces and then URL underscore for, which is the function that I have just imported here, URL for, and then we can pass the name of the function that we want to call. We want to call the movies by title, which is the name of the function that we want to execute, which is this one, movies by title, and we want to pass the title to this function. So in order to pass the title, we add here comma and then the name of the title, which first we pass the name of the parameter, which is the parameter is title, and then it's going to be equal to Ice Age. So I'm going to say here Ice Age, and then I'm going to do the same to these two links. I'm going to copy this structure and then I'm going to paste it into the href of this one and this one. But we need to change the title. Obviously here the title is going to be Harry Potter, and then the third one is going to be penguins, and And now if you save everything and then if you head on over to your browser and test, let me first refresh. So once you refresh, you'll find that we have here buttons. If you click on Ice Age, for example, you should get all Ice Age movies or movies that has the keyword, the Ice Age keyword in them. If you click on Harry Potter, you'll get all Harry Potter movies. And if you click on Penguins, you will get all Penguins movies.